Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Yubo. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Yubo on your mobile device. Select Continue with Google. Tap on Create New Account. Type in your name. Once you're done, tap on the arrow. Now type in your birth date. Once you're done, tap on the arrow. Now select your gender. Click on the arrow. Create an username for yourself. Make sure that it is unique. Once you have found yourself a unique username, tap on the arrow. Now tap on the plus button in order to add your face picture. You can either take a picture or a video or simply choose one from your gallery. Once you're done choosing a picture, tap on the arrow at the bottom of your screen. Now you can select what kind of friends you want on Yubo. After you're done selecting, tap on the arrow. Now you can customize the notifications that you want to be receiving from Yubo. Once you're done, tap on the arrow. Tap on Allow if you want to receive notifications from Yubo. Tap on the arrow once again. If you want Yubo to access your location, tap on Allow. Tap on I accept. If you agree with the community guidelines of Yubo, tap on Accept. Now the last step is to verify your age. Tap on Verify My Age. Now all you have to do is take a photo of yourself in real time to verify your age. Once you have verified your age, you will be logged in on Yubo. And that's it. This is how you create an account on Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.